Okay, guys, if you haven't tried Nano Banana, please try it because it is going to save time. It's going to help you out. Even when you're a learner, it's going to be easy for you. So anyway, it's just a by the way. So let me just start. Go on with the script. Hello, friends, guys. Welcome back to my channel, Young 256. With me, everything is possible. This is how we say. If you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe and share to a friend. Here, we always bring you free learning opportunities, technology guides, and practical tips that can help you grow as a person in different things like Photoshop, Vmix, anything you want to ask, I'll make sure I do it. So guys, recently I did a video about Nano Banana. I did a video about Nano Banana. Let me first show you the course I'm going to give you today. Okay, but let's start on this page. So guys, recently I did a video on Nano Banana. So I got people in my inbox saying, oh, well, we love the course. Do you mind when you share another course still about Nano Banana? So guys, I'm back with something even bigger, a free masterclass course that you don't want to miss. Yep. Okay, this course is called Master Image Editing in Gemini 2.5 Flash Model. Also known as Nano Banana. Guys, this is AI. It's going to be a simple course. Yeah, this is a free course and it's about unlocking the power of AI to produce and edit high quality unique images. The photographers, I'm talking to you. Please don't watch the video. Watch the video. I'm coming. Don't go anywhere. Okay, here is what you're going to learn in this master class. 1. You're going to learn what Gemini 2.5 Flash Image Model Nano Banana is. How to write effective prompts to generate realistic images. Guys, you make errors in writing prompts. So, I'm going to do this for you. You're going to find it in the class. How to edit, merge, and transfer images inside the Gemini app. So you guys, you have issues with using this AI issues. So I'm going to give you this course and it's going to help you. So, still in the same course, best practices, tips, and ideas for working with this powerful Google model. Things that come. You people say you lose jobs, but now let's use AI to make money without losing any job and to fasten our work. And of course, step-by-step workflows with practical examples. In this course, you're going to get practical examples, so it will be easy for you to learn. The best part, you don't need any experience at all. We start from scratch. The masterclass is, I'm telling you guys, please listen. The masterclass is 1 hour and 42 minutes. Why I didn't upload the video of 1 hour and 42 minutes here, it's because I find people find hardship to keep these courses. So when I put that link, they'll download it and they'll keep the courses. They can use them for future use or share them to different people. You get my point? Okay, let's continue. Okay, the masterclass is 1 hour and 42 minutes long, full of clear explanations and practical exercises. By the end, you'll not only understand how Nano Banana works, but you will know how to use it like a pro. Guys, and yes, when you finish the course, you will also earn a verifiable. That is God. You get a certificate. From me. Okay, if you don't want to get a certificate from me, we are going to get a certificate from Google. Okay, we are going to get a certificate from Google. Okay. Showcase your new AI skills with confidence. I tell you this. The course is completely free for you. The link is down in the description. Note, the link is down in the description. So make sure you check it out after watching this video. Guys, you get my point? We're on the same screen because I don't have... Should I open Photoshop? No, let's stay on this screen. Just listen to what I'm saying. Okay, guys, I tell you, it's going to, the video is, the link is in the description. The password is, okay, the password is 123. The password is 123. When you download, the password is 123. But please, guys, don't just go like that. I need your help somewhere. Okay, before we continue, why this course is important? You get my point? AI is moving so fast, and tools like Gemini 2.5 Flash model are changing the way we create and edit images. Instead of spending hours on traditional editing, you can now generate and transform visuals in seconds. If you're an AI, digital creator, a student, or even someone who just loves exploring new tech, this is the course for you guys. Guys, this is why I need your help, please. Guys, I need your help somewhere, please. That's why I don't sell this course. Look off. If you're still on, thank you so much. But remember, the password download is 123. Guys, help me out on this. Guys, I created the app. This is the app. Guys, I created an app, but I want to upload it on Play Store. Okay, guys, now before I close, because I want to end the video, I also have something existing. I am currently working on an app, and I need 12 people to help me test if in for 14 days. Guys, I need your help. I only need 12 people. I want my app to be published on Play Store. So guys, I only need 12 people. 12 people. This is what we are going to do. If you're still on, thank you so much. Okay, this is the app. Let me go back to our thing. Okay, guys, for 14 days, here is how it works. You will just send me your email address. You can either put it down in the comment section, or you can send it in my inbox. It depends on what you want. I'll add you to my closed testing group. You will receive the test link. You test the app for 14 days and share your feedback. Guys, I need this help. I need it. So this will help me improve the app before releasing it publicly. If you're interested, please reach out to me. My contacts are in the description. They're in the description or down in the comment section. Please, guys, help me out. So friends, today you're getting 2 opportunities in one video. A free masterclass in Gemini 2.5 Flash Nano Banana with a certificate. A chance to be among the 12 testers of my new app. Guys, are you still on? Oh, boom, you bamushed long time ago. Okay, what you're going to do before I go, please remember to subscribe and to share the channel. Guys, if you want to send me something, please send me some kamane. Guys, some kamane. I'm kidding anyway. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video so more people can also benefit. With me, Young 256, remember everything is possible. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video, guys. Let me help me upload my app. Guys, help me. Guys, go subscribe, but remember you have to go in the link in the description. Download. The password is 123. Let me write it. People say my accent sometimes is accenting. Password is 123. Guys, I'm back in a new genre. Guys, do you remember the old me? I'm back. I mean, oh, I said bye. Okay, bye. Bye. See you. Before I see you, remember I have a gaming channel. It's called Young X Gaming. Let me introduce it to you. Young X Gaming. It's new, guys. Before we go, subscribe to my YouTube channel. This is a new YouTube channel. We only have 93 subscribers. Please subscribe. You see, now I'm downloading a new game and try to install. We are going to play new games. I've remembered I said bye. Did I? Okay, bye.